Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Life360 app update problem. So to fix this issue, you can simply start by force quit and then reopen the app. You see, when you open Life360 app and then you find some kind of issue going on with the app, you can just simply swipe it up and then swipe it up again to completely close the Life360 app and then reopen it. Now the next what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or App Store and then search for Life360, and if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version of Life360. Now the next what you can do is simply open your Life360 app and then go to settings at the top left corner. Now scroll down to logout and then log out your Life360 account. Once you log out, immediately log back in. The next what you can do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, or you can just simply switch from your Wi-Fi to mobile data and vice versa for the stable connection. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.